Hi everyone, my name is Davis with Patio Lane. Today we want to show you the differences between a pinched and a hinged cushion. So for the particular pinched design, you see that the back and the seat are actually sewn together. So when you raise your back, you'll notice that the back only pushes into the seating area but does not actually sit on top of the seat. Our second option for a connection is actually a hinged, where you see that there is an actual fabric hinge that connects the seat and back. Now when you raise your back, you'll notice that the back cushion will sit on top of the seat. Typically for a hinged design, it's better suited for a deep seating area when you have a seat that is very thick, and of course you need your back to actually perch on top of the seat. The pinched connection is best suited for thicknesses between 2 to 4 inches thick, as this particular example shows. Thank you so much for watching our video. I hope this has been informative to you, and if we can help in the future for your project, please let us know.